Amsterdam, the capital of the Netherlands, is a bright and picturesque city that attracts millions of tourists every year. With its unique combination of historical charm and modern amenities, Amsterdam offers travelers a truly unforgettable experience. One of the most exciting ways to explore Amsterdam is by shooting from a drone. The drone allows you to see the city from a bird's-eye view, making stunning images from the air, demonstrating its iconic sights and scenic beauty. From the height you can admire the complex network of canals passing through the city, for which Amsterdam is called North Venice. Tourists visiting Amsterdam often choose boat walks on its famous canals or explore its narrow streets on foot or by bicycle. However, getting to know the city from a bird's-eye view offers a completely different perspective. This allows travelers to see iconic landmarks such as the Anne Frank House, the Rijksmuseum, the Royal Palace of Amsterdam and many others, from a variety of viewpoints. In addition, drone video is becoming increasingly popular among travel enthusiasts who want to capture the stunning visual effects of their adventures in Amsterdam. Publishing these images on social networks will not only demonstrate the beauty of this wonderful city, but will also inspire other tourists to visit it. It is important to note that when using a drone in Amsterdam or any other location for entertainment or commercial purposes, local safety and confidentiality rules must be respected. Adherence to these rules ensures that both residents and guests can enjoy this charming city while maintaining harmony with its surroundings. Whether you are an avid photographer or just looking for new ways to get to know Amsterdam, exploring this charming city from a height will leave an indelible impression.